Are you in the steel industry and struggling with your ERP system? You're not alone. Many companies invest heavily in ERP systems, expecting improved profitability. But reality often falls short. The truth is, conventional ERP systems simply aren't designed for the unique challenges of the steel business. Steel production operates on specific needs, heats, batches, and yield tolerances. But when ERP systems overlook these, it leads to critical blind spots. Poor inventory accuracy can choke your working capital and create stock mismatches. This means emergency procurements when you think you have stock, blocking essential funds tied up in slow-moving inventory. Moreover, even a slight yield loss can severely impact your margins. Yet many companies only assess yield post-production, leaving them vulnerable. Without real-time tracking, you risk unseen profit erosion. Pricing in steel isn't simple either. It's impacted by various factors like grade and alloy surcharges. When ERP systems can't manage this complexity, teams revert to manual spreadsheets, introducing errors and financial leaks. Most ERP solutions are office-centric, failing operators on the shop floor. Expecting them to navigate complex systems leads to inaccurate data and convenience-driven shortcuts that misinform management. What steel companies genuinely need is an ERP that resonates with steel-specific operations. You need a system that accurately tracks weight, yield, and scrap directly from the shop floor, ensuring no profit is left on the table. Don't let your ERP hold you back. Transform your steel manufacturing process today. Book a demo with us now to discover how we can help you boost your profitability.